How to fix Google Play Store opening again and again. So in this video guys, I have the solution of this problem on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go and open apps. Here search only for Google Play Store. Open it like this and then go to storage, and here on storage go to clear data, click OK and go back, click on force stop and click OK and go to change system settings. If it is not allowed like this, you have to allow it like this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.